Booty drops. What the heck? For best results, use daily before twerking.
Okay, so there are 3 possible outcomes of the test: positive, negative, and invalid. Please look at the result window on the front of the card and look carefully for pink lines. Do you see 2 pink horizontal lines? Please compare to the sample results on the screen.
Yes.
For this, Ariel, you have tested positive for COVID-19. A positive test results means it is very likely you have COVID-19. There is a very small chance this test can give a positive result and you are not infected. So we recommend you to contact your healthcare provider or local state health department to determine the next steps you should take. For now, kindly dispose of the card, the dropper bottle, and swab in your trash. The test is now complete and information about the test will be sent to your email. Your test results will be sent to your Navica app. You may directly contact us at 1-866-955-1173. So I will now submit your results.
Okay.
Okay, it's done. And again, thank you so much for choosing eMed, Ariel, and goodbye for now.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Well, there's that. There's that. I don't know how I feel about seeing that it says positive. I mean, again, me knowing that I'm not able to smell at all kind of gave it away for me, because I happened to my sister who's a nurse. She wasn't able to smell anything at all or taste. And usually if you're just regularly sick, you can still smell at least in one nostril, but I can't smell in both of my nostrils. And I can't taste any of my food, so I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure how to feel. I'm gonna call my sister in a second once I can actually see it, and then I'm going to email the results to my boss. So again, I don't really know how I feel, but like mentally about being test positive. Again, I feel fine. I just cannot taste or smell anything. So I'm gonna let anyone who know that was at my apartment the last couple of days, hey guys, so it's the next day and I'm just home cleaning. I have some stuff that was left over at my mom's house that I'm just cleaning out. Look at this binder, you guys. And I'm watching freaking whatever that show is called, First Love. I don't know what it's called. Are You the One? I said First Love. Anyways, yeah, I'm just cleaning up because I got all the time on my hand. All this is trash. And I'm going through my high school stuff. Look at this, guys. Scantrons. When was the last time you seen Scantrons? For me, it was 2014. And it's 2021 right now, so. Oh my gosh, look at this Lisa Frank thing. My Lisa Frank binder. Look at all my pictures. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I gotta go through this right now. I was such a scrapbooker in the most ghetto way possible. This is my sister-ish, Natalie, Christina and Abilene. Oh my gosh. Me and one of the twins. Me and the other twin. How crazy. Now everybody's grown. This is my sister's wedding. I'm gonna put this aside. Me and Jessica. Wow, this is crazy. Trash. Me and Dorothy, me and Sandy. This is my sister's wedding. Look at how skinny I was. My bigger sister. Me and Ish. I'm gonna keep these. Girl, who do I think I was? Oh my gosh. Horrible selfies. Look at this. I used to journal so much and just doodle. I was such a doodler. I hope my daughter's like that. Who made this for me? I think Erica made this for me. Strawberry shortcake. I've been berry since the beginning of time, y'all. Okay. I used to write love notes, love letters. This one's called My Lover. Child, who the heck I wrote this to? Garbage. Wow, this is from the overhead at church back in the day. But yeah. So I tried to eat breakfast again this morning. I still can't taste anything, and I'm just taking it easy. I'm getting my house sprayed, disinfectant later today, so I'll show you guys that. But yeah, I'm just home cleaning up. I feel fine. I just can't taste anything. So, and tomorrow morning I get my official other test, but I don't think I get the results until later in the week. But I will let y'all know. Anywho, catch with you guys later. Hey guys, so it's about to be 6 o'clock, so I'm getting ready for my apartment to get sprayed. I was just tidying up everything. Not that it really matters, but I always gotta make a nice impression. But yeah, so my apartment's about to get sprayed. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to record it because I have to leave the apartment. However, I will turn my other camera on. Maybe my other camera can take some type of footage, just so y'all can see what happens. And in case you want to get your home disinfected. And we're gonna go. Update. DJ brought me some McDonald's earlier today, and I was able to taste the salt in the fries very faintly. Again, it was very, very faintly. So that was pretty cool. They finally turned that alarm off. I called and I went off. When I tell you I went off, that alarm that's been going off, it's been going off for 3 weeks, and I went off. I love my apartment. It's so cute in here. I get my house disinfected. Yay! I low-key want to go get some more fries from McDonald's because I want to really get my taste buds back. So I don't know, because that's not the healthy, responsible thing to do. So I might just wait till DJ get off work, or have him drop it off. He dropped it off at my doorstep, literally. He dropped it off, knocked on the door, and was like, and then we were talking through the window today, through the glass. It's very sad. I just really don't want to get him sick because we've been together all last week. So I'm just now finding out I'm having COVID. So hopefully he's okay. I don't want to get him sick. I need to disinfect my car too. I have all these Clorox wipes that I can use to wipe down all the surfaces and stuff. I can't believe I'm saying this, that I have this stupid COVID. But at this point, I feel like everybody's gonna get it at one point or another because it's been here for a whole year. Alright, so I got 2 masks on and I just went to my locker. There's the guy who's spraying my car, my house. Alright, in the meantime, between time, we're going to open this BoxyCharm. Got some makeup for the month of August. Here's a little pamphlet thing for this month. Alright, so, wow, there's something in here that costs $70. Alright, let's see. What the heck is this? It's supposed to be protected paper? All right, so this is an exfoliant. Oh, this is perfect because I need an exfoliant. Moisturizing Exfoliant, $70. This is what it looks like. It's literally so tiny. This little guy. Oh, it's a moisturizer. I thought it was an exfoliant. I'm tired of moisturizers. I have 1,000 moisturizers. I need exfoliants. This is a ageless BB cream. I bet it's not gonna be like skin tone color. And this is $38. It's from Pure Lycée Ageless Glow BB cream. It's probably gonna be a waste because I can almost guarantee it is not going to be my skin tone color because they never get those kind of things right. It does says deep on the back. Let's open it. Maybe I will prove myself wrong. Can't smell, I forgot. So that's what the color is. As you can see, that little speck definitely giving me ashy. What the heck is this? I will not be able to use this. All right, next we have a Frank Body Booty Firming Body Oil. Booty drops. What the heck? It literally say booty drops. Body Firming Body Oil. So I guess if you have like loose skin or like cellulite in an area, then you will put these on. Cool. I would try that on my outer thigh area. Booty drops. Highly caffeinated body oil for firmer looking skin, better circulation, and more risque dance moves. Okay, so this is for strippers. Why is this as risque dance move? How to use: squeeze a firm drop of moisture to your hand and apply directly to dry skin. Rub in circular motions until absorb. For best results, use daily before twerking. Who do they think I am? I never told BoxyCharm I was a twerker. This thing's dead say use before twerking. Pop, lock, and booty drop. That's what it says. What? I don't know. We'll see, guys. That thing was $17.95. They could have kept that little $18 thing. Be fearless. You look fabulous. Large pots to encourage you to use makeup brushes or your fingertips to apply. What is this? Oh my gosh. What am I going to use this crap for? I'm not going to use this. I know I'm not going to use it. Can't smell. Pink pearl pot. What am I going to use this for? Nobody uses paint pots anymore. Put it in a giveaway at some point. Well, this BoxyCharm was whack, and I should open it on Instagram so I could tell it it was whack so they can give me something else. But anyways, I'm about to go in the house in a second. I really want to go get some more french fries from McDonald's. Anyway, I'm about to go back inside.